سلام، حال شما چطوره؟ خوب هستین؟ Hello my friends, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will learn about الفبای فارسی. الفبای فارسی. Farsi Alphabets. Make sure to join and enjoy. الفبای فارسی. You got it right. The very first difference between Farsi and English is that in Farsi we write from right to left. In English, from left to right. And the alphabets or letters are very different. Let's check the pronunciation of each of these letters. Are you ready? Listen and repeat. A, A, B, B, P, P, T, T, S, S, J, J, Ç, Ç, H, H, X, X, D, D, Z, Z, R, R, Z, Z. You got it right. This is Z, Z. This is also sound like Z. The exact same pronunciation. Farsi, in contrary to Arabic, have the same pronunciation although the dictation is different. So it's way easier to remember the pronunciation of these letters. Z, Z, J, J, like bonjour, J, bonjour in French. Hi, bonjour, good morning. J, S, S, Sh, Sh, S, S, again, S, S, both of them sound S, Z, Z, another Z, Z, T, T, another T, 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 both of them sound like T. The dictations are different, but the pronunciation exactly similar. T, Z, that's fourth one. Z, 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 Z. Easy, right? Z, E, E, Q, Q, F, F, Q, Q, second Q, 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 K, 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 G, G, L, L, M, M, M like Muhammad, M, M, N, N, H, H, also H, H, same pronunciation. Yeah, 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 like yay or yes. Well done. We just gone through 32 alphabets in Farsi. Do you remember what was the letter for A? A. The first one, A. The second one was B. B. Well done. How would you write your name in Farsi? What's your name? My name is Mohammed. Mohammed. So the letters that construct my name is me, he, me, de. Mohammed. It is me, he, me, and de. Mohammed. But we do not write that like that in Farsi. We put together or concatenate these letters. And how we write Muhammad is like Mo, Ha, Ma, D. Muhammad. Muhammad. And at the beginning, you might use some vowels. Muhammad. These are short vowels. We're going to talk about that in a separate video. Also, in another video, we will talk about different shapes of each of these alphabets and how we can decide which form we should use. Make sure to check out the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Smash, yeah, I'm talking to you. Smash the like button and watch the next video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Khoda Hafiz.